In this video, I'll show you how to connect a USB drive on your Hisense Roku TV. This way you can put movies on it, pictures, and even music, and the TV will be able to read them. You won't have to stream anything over Wi-Fi since everything will be done from this little USB drive. So let's get started. Okay, first step is obviously to connect this drive on the back of your TV. So let me show you where it goes. So this is the back of my Hisense TV, Hisense Roku TV, and the USB port should be on the top, above the HDMI ports. So these are HDMI and the USB is the last one. It looks different. Just connect the USB drive. And I'll put on the screen right now which format this TV is actually able to read, because your USB drive needs to be formatted in a certain way to be able to use it on this TV. Okay, so once I have connected the drive, you may get this message. You may not get it, but in my case I got it. Just press allow and then launch. It will launch the Roku media player. If you didn't got the same message that I got, just press the home button and launch the Roku media player manually. It's the same thing. Once it's launched, you're gonna get these options. You'll be able, if you want to see only videos that are on your drive, only music, or only photos. Or you can select all, so you're gonna see all the folders, everything that is on it. And now you can simply browse, just like on your computer, and select the movie, the photo, or whatever you want to watch. Once you have select something, press OK, and this is it. The movie will start, the picture will show, and you'll be able to use your USB drive. Once you're done, you don't need to do anything, just to remove the drive from the back. You can also just keep it there for weeks or months at a time. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and type a comment. Okay? See you in the next video.